Hello everyone, this is MotiveMonkey channel. In this channel, we try to motivate people 1% every day so that you will inch forward to your success. Social media is overwhelming. If you open your social media and you check your reels, comments, contents, post, images, anything, it looks like everybody is getting success in this world without you. If you scroll it for at least 10 to 15 minutes, you feel that 100 times you are not better than the people who you are seeing in social media. Actually, is that right? No, that is wrong. The people, what they are showing in social media is only the one part of the game and one part of the life. They did not show what really they are going through. They only show the successful stories putting into the social media platforms so that people will like, comment, and they want to become like them. But that is not true. So do not be attached to social media and do not be tracked and possession by social media. Be clear which is right, which is wrong, and spend your time wisely. If you really see a good content, please like, support, and comment to their content. And you can also consume their content to improve your knowledge, skills, and your networks. So don't see people who are all glorifying their work in social media. If you want to be like them, then please go to them, be with them, see them very closely. Really, they are very successful every day. Thank you.